Royalton Splash Punta Cana water park is one of the largest water parks in the Caribbean and is located only a short walk away from one of the most pristine and beautiful stretches above our beach. Royalton Splash is perfect for families to create lasting memories. Kids splash into the time of their lives, while adults can unleash their inner child. The park features a children's pool complete with a wave pool, super fun space bowl, a black hole, monster, kamikaze, roller coaster, multi-lane, and the twin water slide, as well as a mini water slides perfect for small kids, which is the falls, the ramp, sliders mini, snakes, splash fun mini, and free fall mini. For more information about the water park, click the link below.